Tomorrow, the fight over KCPD's budget goes to court. KCTV5's Betsy Webster has been following the back and forth all along here. She joins us live now outside the Jackson County Courthouse. Betsy, could a judge make a ruling on this tomorrow?
Well, not sure. It is possible that he could start hearing evidence on the most urgent part of that lawsuit, a temporary restraining order to get that money put back into the general police budget. And though there is nothing that says he has to start hearing evidence tomorrow, the clock is ticking, and it's ticking loudly because we're talking about a budget where those expenses are already underway. The police department pays for its expenses by submitting expense reports monthly in line with what was previously approved. When the City Council changed its allocation at this contentious meeting, they were already almost a month in to the current fiscal year. Let's take a look at the key dates. March 25th, the city appropriated $224 million to the police department. April 27th, the board adopted an itemized police department budget based on that allocation. On May 1st, expenses began under the new fiscal year's budget. Then on May 20th, the new ordinances stripped $42 million from the existing budget and offered $45 million under contract to replace what was removed. Now, June 10th is the deadline for the next round of monthly expenses to be reconciled. Now, that's the tight timeline, but here's the legal argument for the suit. Lawmakers in Jeff City have placed the control over the police budget in the hands of the state-appointed Board of Police Commissioners. That law is what's cited by the suit, saying the city ordinances did two key things in violation of that law. The city is, quote, reclassifying budgeted funds without board approval, quote, according to the suit, and their ordinances, quote, hinder and obstruct the board's control of the police department budget, end quote. Now, the city has not yet filed its response to the lawsuit in court. The mayor has said he will fight this all the way to the Supreme Court if he has to, though it's worth noting that in a lot of lawsuits, what we've got is lawyers on either side that continue to have private conversations outside of court in hopes of making some sort of resolution outside of court. Not sure if that's going to happen here or how quickly, but we will be at the hearing at 1:30 tomorrow afternoon and be sure to let you know what happened. Live in Kansas City, Missouri, Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.
I know, we'll all be watching. Betsy, thank you.